Good morning, students. This is our conversation class. Okay. Today we are going to do chapter number 7. I like to dance and play. Okay. What chapter? Chapter number 7. I like to dance and play. Okay. So basically in this chapter we are going to learn what things you like and what thing you dislike. Understand? So you have to mention, you have to say, you have to practice what things, not only eatable items, means things you don't like and things you like very much. So these kind, then you have to explain about your school, what thing you like and what thing you don't like. Okay. Then some routine, what you do. Okay. The morning, the evening, afternoon, whatever it is. Then some words you have to learn. So come to the chapter. See, in our tune-in book, page number 54, chapter name, I like to dance and play. See, number 8. They all are dancing and listen to the music and enjoying. So listen to the song and sing along. You have to listen the track and you have to dance. This is for your enjoyment. Do it, okay? Next, listen to Tanshi and Karthik talk about the places they like in the school. This is Tanshi and this is Karthik. You have to listen the track, okay? She is saying something she like and he is saying something he like. Okay? So, same thing it is mentioned here. Okay? Something Karthik likes, something Tanshi likes. Tanshi is saying that she like their basketball ground. Okay? Okay? And then library and classroom. But Karthik is saying, no, I don't like the classroom. I like computer lab. Then our dance room, activity room. Then both of them like the canteen. Then computer lab. So they are saying like that. You have to listen the track properly. Okay? By listening, only listen and tick it. What thing Tanshi like, you have to write T. And what thing Karthik like, you have to write K. Okay? Understand? Tanshi is explaining about this is my school. I love my school. This is very big. In this there is many classroom. There are many classrooms. Then playground, one basketball ground, then football ground. Then there is big library. Okay, computer lab. Then here canteen. Then this is our dance or activity room. Then library. Then this one is our activity room or art and craft room. Then these are the things. The same way you will also go through about your school and you will say, okay, but right now what it is given in the book, you have to listen again. Write K for the places Karthik like. Whatever Karthik like, you have to write K. Write T for the places Tanshi like. And you have to write what places Tanshi like. Okay, T. Turn the page. Now listen to here. You have to listen the track. Listen to Divya speaking about what she like to do. Here, what she like to do in her routine. You can see 3 options. Here are 3 options. Choose the correct option to complete the sentence. You have to choose the correct option to complete the sentence. This is Divya. Divya like to play or dance and play or eat sweets or in the morning. Divya like to pray in the morning. Divya like to pray in the morning. Okay. Then she like to dance and play. You can say. Here it will be Divya like to pray in the morning. Understand? Next, Divya like to sleep or play with a ball or study at school. Divya like to study at school. When she go to school, she like to study. Okay, Divya like to study at school. Then Divya like to read a book, share lunch with a friend, play on the swing, during the lunch break. Divya like to share lunch with a friend during the lunch break. She like to share the lunch box with her what? With friends in the lunch break. So Divya like to share lunch with a friend during the lunch break. Okay. Last, Divya like to wash up, watch TV, eat an ice cream at home. Divya like to eat an ice cream at home, or Divya like to wash up at home. When she go home, she wash up her hands and then clean herself. Then she sit whatever. Divya like to wash up at home, or Divya like to watch TV at home. No, she doesn't like to watch TV. But Divya like to wash up at home. So you have to listen this. Understand? Okay. Next come. Work with partner. Tell your partner about a thing that you like to eat and a thing that you don't like to eat. Here are many options are given. What you like to eat, you have to say. How you have to say? Like see, pizza, apple, ladies finger, chips, burger, brinjals, biscuit, milk, tomatoes, pumpkins, eggs, oranges, carrots, sweet grape. You can use, example is given here. I like oranges. I don't like apple. Do you like them? Here the boy saying, no, I don't like oranges. I like apples. Here said, here are option. You have to write. Make a list of 3 things each of you like and don't like. Tell your classmate about this. 3 things you have to write here what you like to eat, and 3 things you have to like. Make what you don't like. You have to write what you don't like. Understand? And this is a poem for you. Listen and enjoy. It will not come. Okay? Then turn the page. Turn it. Here some words are given. You have to say loudly. F-R-O-C-K, frock. F-L-O-C-K, flock. S-I-C-K, sick. N-E-C-K, neck. R-O-D, rod. G-O-D, god. C-O-D, cord. P-O-D, pot. M-U-M, mum. S-U-M, sum. R-I-M, rim. G-U-M, gum. Okay? Then, see here. Look at the picture and say what they are allowed. What is the common sound in these words? First is dog, next one log, then cot, pot. Common sound is G and here T. Okay, and then you have to do the fill in the blanks, missing letter with CK. Okay, this picture D-U-C-K, duck, then L-O-C-K, lock, then C-L-O-C-K, clock, then N-E-C-K, neck, then S-A-C-K, sack, then T-R-U-C-K, truck. Okay, you have to do. All of you understand one by one, because I have already teach you last day up to here. Now today I have done up to here. We will revise next day also. So up to this you all have understand. You have to do by yourself. Learn it what I have said. These words, say aloud, fill in the missing letters, and here you have to write the three things you like and 3 things you don't like. Understand everybody? Okay, today's teaching over, student. Thank you.